So we've already assigned an installer for this work order. We've also had a set start time and end time. So this means the installation is now scheduled. So if we go to our installation schedules calendar, it's going to be on this left side over here. Select that. It will now bring me to my calendar where I can manage all my installations. So you can see here that for the specific project, I already have this schedule assigned to Mr. Austin. And if I select this installation, I can see the details and the associated work order for this. So let's say Mr. Austin couldn't make it that day. So we can just easily assign that to a different installer. You can just simply left click on this schedule and just drag it to a different installer. And once you do that, that work order is emailed directly to our other installer, which is Barry. And if I select this schedule, I can now open this uh, work order that we just did earlier. And you see that this work order was automatically updated to reflect the new installer.